What are you gonna do when a tree limb falls on your cell phone line?
No?
No. I'm gonna kind of save it. I'll show you how in a second. Or now. Okay, so you saw it was broken up there, and it's on these little cable lines, phone lines. So I'm supporting it. It's still on the tree pretty good. It's not all the way broken. So I'm supporting it with another ladder, and now I'm gonna go up and cut the end of it off, and just slowly cut off some, and eventually work my way to the power line. And then I will figure it out from there. Just keep cutting slowly. I raise this up and put it a little closer. And once it's off the power line, then I'll take this ladder out completely and put it onto the tree. All right, let's do it.
Oh, okay. Okay, I was thinking, surely you're not going to go up there.
You'll see the video. You'll see the video.
I'm just glad y'all didn't have cameras when...
Okay, so I'm thinking.
Where's your phone so we can call 911?
Knock on Rob's window.
Okay.
All right, so you noticed I put a little notch in it.
Yeah.
So it could slide easily down. It wouldn't get caught
Yeah.
up there. So I kept putting a little like triangle piece so it could just easily fall. And then, so when it did, it just swung right over. What we wanted. The lines are still up there.
Hopefully.
And
Yeah, there they are.
we can work on cutting it up. Make some firewood.
Yeah.
So remember, if I can do it, you can do it. So let's do it together with chainsaws! With chainsaws!